Sam wanted to paint this wall in his room with green color because he wanted to stick his favorite superhero Hulk's posters on this particular wall. So he went to the shopkeeper and asked for some paint. Now the shopkeeper asked, "How much paint do you need?" Well, he had no idea. So he asked, "How can I measure?" The shopkeeper said, "Well, you need to calculate how much space you need to paint." So what is the space occupied by this wall? How much space does Sam need to paint? Well, now in order to find the space occupied by the wall, Sam needs to find the area of the wall. So space occupied by any shape is the area of that shape. So if I have this particular shape and this entire shaded region here is the space occupied by this shape, or we can say that this entire region here is the area of the shape. So area is the space occupied by a shape. So in this case, this entire shaded region is the area of this particular shape. Now to find the area of this wall, Sam thought of a technique. Well, he said, "I have a square tile, so I will measure how many tiles can completely cover this particular area." And then he can tell the shopkeeper that he needs to paint an area covered by those many tiles. So he got a tile and started measuring the area of this particular wall. So he took a tile and placed on the wall. Then he took another one and placed here. Similarly, he took more tiles and started covering the area. So you see, we have already got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 tiles to cover this area. Now on this side, these can be placed like this. Now similarly, we place all the tiles and then we will count the number of tiles that completely cover this area. So approximately we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 square tiles completely cover this particular space, which means the area of this particular space is 15 square tiles. So you see, you can measure area of any particular shape with the help of another shape. For example, this square tile. So what exactly did Sam find out in this particular exercise? Well, he was able to find out the area of this particular wall, which is nothing but the space occupied by this particular wall. So area is a very important measure for any shape which you are handling. Now we have this shape here and we need to calculate the amount of space which this particular shape occupies. So what do we need to calculate exactly? Well, we need to calculate the area of this shape. So you see, whenever you need to calculate space occupied by a shape, it is nothing but area of the shape. So let's start calculating. So we'll use these square tiles again. So 1 and 2 of them here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we can find an approximate value of the area, that is 14 square tiles. Now as you can see, when I'm using these tiles, I'm definitely able to calculate the area, but it will never be accurate, right? In order to accurately find area of any shape, you need to know the formula of that particular shape. Now if it is a regular shape, you have a defined formula for it to calculate the area of that particular shape. And in case you find a shape which is not a regular shape, then you will have to break it into number of regular shapes, and by applying formulae of those shapes, you can find the area of the entire shape. So this is one method to approximately calculate the area of a shape. Now that you know what exactly is area, and you have already learnt in previous lectures about perimeter. So can you answer this question? To calculate how much grass is required to cover this park, we need to calculate the dash of this park. Is it area or is it perimeter? So if you need to cover this park with grass, then what exactly do you need to calculate? The space of this park, isn't it? So now you have learnt about area, and in previous lectures you have also learnt about perimeter of a shape. So can you answer this question now? To calculate how much grass is required to cover this park, we need to find the dash of this park. So we need to find the area of this park or perimeter of this park. What do you think? Well, the answer is area, because in this case we need to cover this park with grass. That means this entire space needs to be filled with grass. So we need to calculate the space of this park, and space occupied by any shape is area of that shape. So when we talk about area, area is the space occupied by a shape. So whenever we need to find space occupied by any shape, we calculate the area of that shape.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.